I'm back, finally. You might be wondering where I've been, why I haven't been uploading any videos, or what is going on. So if you are wondering where I've been, please press the like button down below on this video. And if you don't really care at all and you've just stumbled across this video, press the dislike button. Anyway, I'm at home at the moment, but I'm going to tell you what I've been up to, why I haven't been uploading any videos, and what the current situation is here in Poland. So let's go somewhere a little bit more, a little bit better scenery. So we'll jump in the car, drive to the beach, and then I can tell everybody what is going on. Thank you. Welcome to Rewa. Decided to come out for a bit of a walk, grab a coffee and talk to you guys. So yeah, what's been happening? The last video I had, or that I did, was when it was snowing really heavy, and I showed the snow around the area where I live. So where have I been for the last 2 months? Well, firstly, the snow got worse and worse and worse, and couldn't really leave the house at one point. Then after that, I got a new job, so I left a job that I've been in for about 4 years and started a new job, which made making videos very difficult. Then unfortunately I got COVID, and I was sick for a couple of weeks. I'm fully recovered now and no issues, so that's good. And then after that, sorry, I was just showing a bit of the background there. And then after that takes us to kind of now. So I'm back, and this year I am going to be 40. Hard to believe, isn't it? Hard to believe that I'm going to be 40 when I'll still look 25. But yeah, I'm going to be 40. So I guess that I probably won't be able to do much this year in terms of traveling and parties or whatever I would have planned. So I want to do a few different things. One of them is I want to learn how to skateboard before I'm 40, so I've bought myself a little skateboard. I'm going to maybe do some videos of me attempting that. Then I'm going to be back in Gdansk doing more stuff down there. Also want to do, sorry I keep looking down, it's just the sand's quite, there's lots of holes, don't want to fall down. Then I want to do a video about Stutthof concentration camp. I have been talking to them there, but the current situation in Poland right now is that everything is closed still, or again. That's hotels, bars, restaurants, shops, apart from food retail. So it's still a bad situation here in terms of doing anything or getting out and about. So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to kind of say today. Bit of an update. I'm still alive, I'm still here, and I still want to do what I wanted to do last year, which is make loads of videos about Poland and about my life in Poland. So I will be doing that this year, fingers crossed. But no promises on like when and how many videos I'm going to do this year. But please do keep subscribing. Please do, if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe, because it really does help me out. And yeah, I'll talk to everybody again soon. So once again, thanks for watching, appreciate the support, and I'll catch you on the next video.